So Whatnot has been so successful, but what has been killing me is time. It's been taking a lot of my time to set up different stages for different sets. This is something that I need to address today. So today or tonight, I'm doing a coin show where I'm going to be selling my gold and my silver online on Whatnot. Now, the stage is being moved from this stage where I do all my general goods and my fashion and my coins, but it's being changed. The coins is leaving here and it's going into another room in order to make sure that the station sets up permanently so I don't have to take it down, put it up, take it down. So I've only got fashion and then general goods to sell here. So what I'm going to do today, and a lot of people have been asking me this, Alan, how do you set up a Whatnot stage? Now, as you can see, you're kind of behind the scenes at the minute. Above, you can see the LED lights, and of course, you can see the space that is the stage set. Now, it's not that big. You do not need to look at the camera's really, really good at perception of size, but it isn't a big space. It's enough for me to address, because if you look at the Whatnot show, this is not the width that you get in Whatnot. You get it at roughly this size. This is the size you have of a window for your customers, because they're going to be on the phone mostly. So they put it in, I think, I can't remember the name of the format, but it's about this size from my finger to my finger, thereabouts, and that is all you're going to see. As a customer, that's all you're going to see. So you don't need to really spend a major amount on space. When I am here, that is me at the center of my stage set. You don't see the thing to the right, and you don't see this stuff to the left. At the minute, we are setting up for the general goods. The general goods is coming on Thursday. Yep, on Thursday. And this is going to be set up for it. That then gives me time to keep the coin show on its own, because it's only a tiny show, but it takes so long to set up because you have to show the silver coins off beautifully. And there's a load of silver coins that I'm selling this week as well. I'm doing quite a lot of silver coins and a bit of gold on the gold backs. The gold backs are doing really well for me. I'm buying more from the US, and yeah, I'm going through with this distribution in Ireland and the UK. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. So the stage set is very, very important. So today I'm going to show you, what do you need? What actually do you need for a stage show on Whatnot? Now, I'll do a few of these videos. I'll probably do a more comprehensive one, but I'm going to show you what is needed for a stage set for Whatnot. So first of all, the lights, they're very important. You have to have a light space. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you. In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll go around and I'll show you the stage set. Now, these and that is the table for both packing at the minute. It's only temporary. Packing and also for stock. Stock goes here when it is placed and numbered. What you do need are these number cards. These are very, very important. So I advise big ones, big numbers, because that has been a problem. We've come across these problems before. Number cards are very, very important. But guess what? Look at this. If you turn it upside down, you end up with problems such as you get 6 is a 9. That is 6 is a 9. That is an issue. We've got other numbers when they're upside down, like such as 66. They can be upside down and they cause problems. So the idea really is to make sure that you have an underline on your numbers, or you write it. It can be absolutely the wrong way around. We've come across that problem. There is the stage set from behind, if you have a look. So that's the stage set. This is basically, as you can see, there's the table. The table is made out of an old snooker table that was in the premises. And as you can see, this is currently the lighting system. This is the music system. This is for the music, the background music. You need a soundboard. So this is a soundboard here. This is the VS8 soundboard. It's a cheap Chinese version. It only cost me about, I think it was about 50, 60 quid on Temu or TikTok shop, but that's what it is. And it's actually really class. There's some of them are very class. The sounds you can put on for a bit of fun is absolutely brilliant. Cameras, we've got a camera here, high definition camera there. This is a bigger screen so I can see what people are saying. This is a hub, and then the computer itself that runs it is a gaming laptop. There's the gaming laptop there. That's what you need. You need an RTX graphics card. That's very, very important, an RTX graphics card. And of course, a keyboard, and of course, another camera. So we have 2 cameras for this show. I'll show you here, and I'll turn it around. There's it there. Oh, wrong way around. So 2 cameras, one there, one there. A microphone. This is the microphone that I use. It has a boom for it. It's very, very good. So a boom mic. And of course, a mobile phone for backup should something go wrong with the laptop during the show. This also works on the same show, so that you can have other items working on the same show. And of course, the lighting is very, very important. As you can see, the lighting is quite bright. There's it all there. That's very, very important for the lighting. With some of these cameras, they don't like too much light, and therefore it makes it a bit weird. You go like a bright white color and everything has no detail in it. The creases in a white thing has no detail in it. That is the case. If you're doing fashion, clothes rails are very, very important. That's vital. Clothes rails are vital for the job. Of course, making sure your cables are not in the way. Get loads of power cables, but have one go into the bench and then cable the crap out of it afterwards. There's a lot of requirement for electricity running a stage set. There it is, there is, and I've got a few tables as well. Now, things are changing on the stage today, or this week actually. Currently, we've just got a few shelves. I've got a few temporary shelves. These are moving. We're going to be doing more of a shop for our TikTok, or not for our TikTok, for our whatnot, and there's going to be more show or more shelves in the shop window for people to go. There's plus. Up here, there's going to be 2 clothes rails pointing out. So it's going to be pipe going out to hold clothes rails. So when I lift one off that's been on show, there's another one behind for other people to see. I've noticed that when people can snipe what's behind, they take an interest and they stay to watch to see what is either bidded for or they want to bid it itself. So the idea really is in that square that I told you at the start of this video, it's very, very important to have some really good items that can be used as teasers to keep the customer intrigued. Now, again, that's the stage set, and I talk about this, and I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to put you back on to my holder here for a second. There we go, just to talk to you properly. So, as far as I'm concerned, there's the stage show, what you need and how it's done technically. Now, there is one thing that I've noticed about Whatnot, and a lot of the Whatnot sellers, a lot of them are pretty good. Well, some of them are pretty good, but a lot of them are terrible. Salesmanship is vital. The reason why in the last 2 weeks I've made 20 grand, and I do firmly believe this, is by selling the item. I have seen people do this, and it's the way it is. They get this thing and they go, this is a green top, and this is a jacket, £2. Anybody? And that's not the way you do it. You have to sell it up. Right, guys, I've got a beautiful, beautiful Twisted Soul jacket. This is a great jacket. This is unbelievable. It's a competition in North Face, but everyone has it better. Everyone has it better with a Twisted Soul. Look at that gorgeous jacket. This is a size large. This is a large, beautiful teenage jacket, beautiful khaki green. If you call it khaki, I don't know. If you call it, I don't know. Oh, there's me dropped it. What a fool. I've just dropped it and made a mess of myself. But there it is. Who wants it? I'm going to start the bids at £10. This is worth at least 100. What are we going to bid for it? Here we go. And that's the way you do it. So, you know, mistakes and everything like that, I think it's very, very important to make sure that you sell it. You have to sell it. It's a bit like if you remember the thing with Rodney and Dell. selling, roll up, roll up. It's amazing, the market quality. And I learned this skill last year. If you want to have a look at my market stuff in my YouTube channel, it was absolutely wonderful. I made $6,000 profit. We turned about 12 grand, but I made £6,000 profit. And I highly advise anyone to, if they want to learn how to sell, go down to the markets. It's amazing how much you can sell when you're in the markets. And salesmanship is 50% of the stage. A good salesperson is extremely important to do. And I see people on whatnot. Now, certain products sell itself, such as silver and gold. You don't have to have much of a personality, but I think it's vital when you're doing it. But clothes and fashion, the most successful fashion sellers are the ones with a good personality online. And I'm seeing that. I'm seeing it. I've been watching Whatnot for about 3 weeks, and I was buying stuff, and I was learning from the good, the bad, and the ugly in regards to the Whatnot sellers. You're all in a window. This is a window that you're showing to your clients, and your clients would judge you simply by what you look like and how you dress. I, on the fashion, wear a suit, and I'm probably the only one that wears a suit on Whatnot. And I'm glad, because I'm the one-off. I'm the one-off on it. There's other people may follow the opportunity. We got people with beanie hats and, big horrible beards or smoking a fag while they're doing stuff. That stuff, or there's kids crying in the background. That, regardless of what people say, I appreciate they're making money, but they have to do it professionally. And you're not going to sell anything or make a profit by simply working it with the curtains drawn in your back bedroom and no stage show. The most important thing is your microphone, your sound, your visuals, everything. That's vital. You're simply watching it on a screen. So if is any piece of advice that I could give anyone is make sure your image is right. I'm not perfect, and I'm not saying I am, but I am trying my best to be perfect. And it doesn't matter how much you're selling the item for. If you're selling it for £2 or you're selling it for £1,000, you've got a reputation to maintain. And that's vital in any shopkeep. I have been a shopkeeper for a very long time, and I know how to make sure that I attract customers. Good presentation, great image, great uniform, hair well, breath well, not here, of course, you can't smell my breath, but ultimately you have to look and smell and act and be absolutely professional. So there it is. There's my one-off on Whatnot so far. I will do a more detailed thing of the actual acquisition, both the picking, the packing, and the posting. We have to remember the numbers are very important before you go and do anything. The numbers are important. Whether you print them off or you write them off, it doesn't matter. I've decided to go and buy sticky tabs from 1 to 200 because I don't really go any more than 200 items in a day. I may do it very soon and sell 200 items, but ultimately I'm not doing it for the next foreseeable future. Now, is there a profit with Whatnot? Yes, there bloody well is. I have actually managed to concede that I have been doing the general goods sales, which is coming up on Thursday again. God, time flies. Really big lift. I done just over £2,000 of sales on the general sales, and I made about £1,000. So ultimately, that is profit for me. Did I lift the money? I went and withdrew the money this morning. That's why I'm a bit buzzy. I lifted 20 grand from the Whatnot account for 2 weeks work. 2 weeks work, 20 grand on my own with the help of a few friends. They came and they helped on the first setup and watched it. And they were amazed by the show. And I believe I am amazed by the show. But 20 grand for 2 weeks. And that is what you could push it to, people. That is what you all could push. If you want to join my inner circle and become a part of this absolute new revolution, come and join it, and I'll show you everything that needs to be done. And we learn as a group together. Being in the inner circle is free. You don't have to. There is a YouTube mentorship that you have to pay, but it's minor. It's small pocket change. It's literally £4 or £3. Go ahead and get yourself involved with me. I'll invite you into the Whatnot channel, and I'll invite you into the Silver Circle, and you and I can get involved on the mentoring and the group together. There's a load of people now. We're doing so well as a group of people. So if you're interested, give me a shout, and yeah, good luck. Make some money. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to show you how to make cash. Look at my videos. It is becoming an absolute regular thing. I am selling you the dream of making money for yourself. Become an entrepreneur. Just work hard and get it done. Thanks, guys. Thanks for talking. Thanks for listening. Sorry. Thanks for listening. See you later.